behalf of the other two guests with me. And I always, when come to this place, I gather, some extra delight, extra happiness, because you all are so organized, you're so disciplined. And today I can see that, your creativity, your skill, is being displayed at its peak. Okay, so my best wishes to everyone. I take this opportunity to thank all the teachers also for always guiding all the students and taking best out of them. I know it is very difficult to operate from such a remote location, but with the help of the JSP, with the help of Jindal Power and the mines area, and with the support of all the villagers, आप सबके मम्मी पापा और सारे जो ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में हमारे लोग रहते हैं, उनकी सहयोग से, उनकी जो शुभेच्छा है, उसके कारण ये स्कूल का संचालन बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है. So you convey my wishes to your parents also. Okay? आप अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलना कि सर आए थे और आप सबको धन्यवाद बोला है. ओके? कि उनके कोऑपरेशन के कारण ये स्कूल बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा है. Now you can see that there is one more school building under construction. Have you seen that? When you discuss and when you come to the school, you find that there is one more building is under construction. There is a possibility that from next academic session, okay, maybe from June, May, whenever, we'll be shifting to that new building as well. Okay, and we will be applying for CBSE affiliation also. कि CBSE मान्यता के लिए भी हम आवेदन भेजेंगे. It will depend on CBSE that when they grant affiliation to us, but we are very sure that because of the commitment what everybody has shown, the management has shown, the parents have shown, what the teachers have shown, the way principal sir is working very hard, okay, that all will come out to something best for all of us in the coming academic session. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for inviting, and always be creative. Whatever hobby you have, whether you paint, whether you dance, whether you make sketching, okay, or you sing, or you do something else like coding, you should nurture your own skill. Okay, you should always be after your skill. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जिंदगी में वो चीज ज्यादा काम आती है जो हम अपने हॉबी के रूप में उसको डेवलप करते हैं. स्कूल की पढ़ाई, कॉलेज की पढ़ाई तो बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन उसके साथ में किसी में एक दूसरी प्रतिभा होती है जो स्कूल से ज्यादा आपके अंदर स्वयं होती है. तो उसको भी सब लोग बना के रखना, वो कभी न कभी आपके जीवन में बहुत काम आएगी. Once again, thank you very much on behalf of Anita madam and Archana madam also for inviting all of us. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. All the best.
Thank you, sir. To get infected. This is the structure of virus, HIV.
Okay.
Here it has several parts.
WBCs are good for the body or bad?
They are good for body because they defend us from the infections and other diseases.
And if their fertility is on the higher side, then? Okay.
It defends.
What is the treatment available for HIV so far?
If a person is having HIV, it cannot be cured completely, but it has one therapy which is known as ART, antiretroviral therapy, which decreases the number of viruses and make the chances of a person to live long and healthy life. Thank you, sir.
Then getting it, in the package bottle. How this is, more better?
Because we have charcoal which observe the toxin and the bad odor, which is very helpful, and it helps to catch the big heavy particles and it for the small one, and for the finer filtration we have cordon which purifies the water much better.
So how this water is better than the bottle which is watered water?
Paper in this burner, the heating panels convert heat energy into electrical energy, then bulb started glowing, and this heat sensor sends the heat and the circuit will close.
On which principle this is working?
So it is converting heat energy into electrical energy.
Where is lithium?
Sir, the second period.
So what is the use of lithium nowadays? Why the
Sir, it is used.
is fighting for lithium?
Sir, it is used in electric vehicles or in lithium and battery.
Okay, good. Thank you.
They plant robotically by using pipes to reduce wastage. The materials which I have required are a PVC pipe and a stand for support and some plants such
पास रख दिया ना तो थोड़ा तेजी से घूम जाएगा। तो जैसे जो इंडिया के ऊपर मान लो कुंजमुरा के ऊपर फिक्स किया है। तो रिस्क फैक्टर क्या क्या थे?
Sir, if we increase the pressure, the bottle can last.
Yes. Number two.
Sir, sir, it can injure the
Yes.
member.
Members also.
Good morning to all. We are opposite words. Star, hill, lower, open, new, old, cool, hot, good, bad, go, come, not, run, red, I, you,
Herbs, okay. Trees, climber and creeper. Creeper में आपने कद्दू की पत्ती लगा दी।